Here's a quick unboxing. It's gonna be a lens from Used Photo Pro. But before I do this, I want to say I got into cameras about the end of 2020. I heard you could take stock photos. I saw a company called iStock, and you get paid, so you get paid, so that's cool. So I went and bought a refurnished, direct from Canon T7, and it cost me about $335 or $350, and it works great. And I did it so I could make money. But then after I did it, I started going onto YouTube, and I found out, it's good to like process your photos, in like Lightroom. And at the time, I only had a Chromebook, so that means I had to go and buy a new computer. So I went and bought I said if I'm going to buy a new computer, because I had a cheap Chromebook, I'll buy a good computer. So I went and bought a MacBook. This cost me, sent me back $1,100. So I wanted to make money, so I bought a $350 camera, and then I had to buy a computer. So then I was basically in the hole. And then Lightroom Classic isn't free. They charge like $10 a month. So in a year, I had it for a year, that was $120. So that was, what was that? Let's do some math. Camera was $350. Mac was $1,100. And Lightroom was $120 for a year, and I had it for a year. So because I wanted to make money, I now spent $1,570. Not so great. But then I canceled that after a year. And I'm now processing photos on something called ACDC. It's like $70 and it's one-time fee. So let me mark that. But then about that time, I was also on YouTube, and I saw people saying you can make money taking headshots. Just buy like a background. So I bought a background that was about $100. So I canceled the stock photo because I wasn't making. I would get an email that says I sold. So I didn't. They used some of my photos, but I got a total back of $8, and now I'm $1,740 in because I wanted to make some money, and I bought a $350 camera. But then I said, what if I want to take pictures at night? Now I need a flash, so I went and bought a flash. Godox. This cost me about $200. Did I say I still haven't made any money? So now that's $200 more spent. We're at $1,940 because I wanted to make a little bit of money. And of course, when you buy the camera, you got to buy an SD card. So that was about $20. So that's $1,960. And actually, I thought I had some dust on my lens, so I went and bought. I bought a little cheap air thing. This is about $10. I used it and it was good, but I don't think I had any dust on my lens because I think it was just my imagination. But then about 6 months ago, I did start to get some dust on my lens, and I tried to clean it, so I bought some of those swabs. Those were $20. And the fluid, at the time I didn't want to spend, they were $14 for a little thing, so I went and just used some regular wet stuff at the store. That was like $10. So that's 1,990, but it didn't work. So then I eventually did go and buy the proper stuff, which is $14. So that's 14, 4, 10. Okay, that's one. We're now at $1,104, all because I wanted to make a little money. So I bought a $300 camera. And then I also, it didn't work so well, so I bought a real air blower thing here. This is $20. And those cleaning things, do I have those cleaning things? I bought some pet pads. These, so I use these when I clean my sensor. I just get it, I wrap them around a Q-tip, and then I dry them with the peg pads, because those swabs are expensive. So all of that was about another $30. That brings the total to $1,134. Plus, I decided I want to upgrade. But first, I bought a new lens, and it's a really nice lens. And that's what this video is about. It's from Use Photo Pro. It's a 24 to 105 USM. It's like, it's used, it's a high-end lens. It's rated as excellent because I didn't want to buy something that was junk. And this cost me $450 plus tax of $50, so that's $500. That brings the total to $1,634. And let's see what used gets you. Canon EF 24 105mm f4L IS USM lens. It has the caps and a hood, and it does look nice. Yeah, looks good. It looks super clean. No scratches. I'll test it out and make another video for you. And it's basically, you probably think, why would I want to put that on a T7? Actually, I plan to buy a 5D Mark III, which made me buy some more and I also spent money on these. These are how I store photos, so these are probably $50. Bought a card reader, $15. And if I buy a 5D Mark III, I need a big card, compact flash. I bought this one used for $20. So I'm thinking we're at about $1,700. All because I wanted to make money, and the reality is I've already lost $2,000 on camera gear, and that doesn't include the money I spent driving around. But that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. one last thing. I spent another $100 on this shortly after I bought my camera. It's a nifty 50, $100. I was going to use this when I did my headshots in my background, with my background, which I never used, so maybe someday I'll have use for it, but another $100.